south, but we've got a lift going on here. So they're still allowing traffic through here right now, but this guy's holding them up. But this is HVAC equipment, so pretty much what we see all the time. Now, if we look down here on the other side of him, that is the new HVAC equipment to go on. So yes, this is a Saturday morning here in April, but you see that truck backing up right there. That is most likely to take the old equipment, but I've seen quite a few of these lifts now, so I kind of know what I'm seeing, but it's fascinating to see this stuff. This is actually something that a lot of people would be interested in. This is the roof of the building connected to the Anti-Cruelty Society. So I'll get over on that other side a little bit to show you the markers on the top of that building. But yes, this is right there on the corner, and that is the Anti-Cruelty Society. So got this guy out here with a sign. He held them back for that trailer coming in, but looks like he's gonna keep it open here for a while. But I don't know, I'm just sitting here waiting to see what they bring down. I'll try to get in here and talk to these guys. But this is Stevenson Crane Company. Crane rigging, heavy haul. So as you see there on just behind the cab of that truck, the lifting professionals. And that Lieber, I hope I'm pronouncing Lieber right, but that is the company you see for quite a few cranes. But if I have my information correct, this is made in Germany. So, oh, it's pretty neat, but I'm just here waiting to see what's happening. I'll get you some shots. There's another crane lift that I want to go check out as well. Let's see what's going on here in the city of Chicago. It's a beautiful city. I was wrong. That is the Horace C. and Marion M. McConnell Memorial Building. That is the Anti-Cruelty Society building. So, yes, this equipment is coming down right now. It's going to go on that truck. I just think these are fascinating to watch. Thermal care, so maybe I'll ask these guys. So that other guy is sitting back here holding up traffic, of course. These guys are I really have been watching this. I should know more of this terminology. I really need to become a crane expert. There's the guy that was holding up the traffic. Now he's gonna wave him on. Oh, he's gonna let him stop right here. They're gonna block my view. They're going to block my view. This being open to traffic is kind of hurting my shots here. But, so, we're gonna have a good line of traffic coming through here. So anyways, this is a scene right here. Lifting HVAC equipment to the roof of Anti-Cruelty Society. So look at this building here. This is the Anti-Cruelty Society. The Horace C. and Marion M. McConnell Memorial Building. So I'll have to look up to see what they did for the Anti-Cruelty Society, but yeah, this is a beautiful building. These guys are strapping this down to the trailer. You can't move stuff on a trailer without it being strapped down, so these guys got tow straps and are strapping it down. Alright, here's more equipment coming down. I really don't know what this equipment is. Alright, so I'm only filming this because I find it interesting. I don't know, my whole YouTube career, I only post stuff that interests me. This is so interesting to me. All of that stuff, keeping buildings cool and heated, and it's all heavy equipment that has to be replaced from time to time, and this is how they do it. So it's fascinating to me. But yeah, I guess they don't know exactly where. I guess they're just now deciding where they want to put this on the trailer. That does not look like the heaviest piece of equipment. That looks pretty light.
Really light.
It is really light, huh? So, yeah, gonna have to make sure they strap that down for the trip home. Oh yeah, he's shaking it. That's not a heavy piece. Oh, they just pulled this off the trailer of new equipment. And that's just a wooden box. So that's just a box of equipment. So it's just equipment for the new install. The sun is so bright out here today. Going down onto the rooftop, but I bet bet all this equipment comes with boxes like that for the new install. Now how about this? A job you can do smoking a cigarette. I gotta tell you, man, I'm amazed. I don't know, so many fewer people smoke these days, but smokers are still out there. And here's one working a job, but this is them tying down that old equipment to the trailer. They had to go over the top to strap it down. They were talking about how to do that, but I just love that this guy is smoking a cigarette while working. Not a lot of jobs that you can do and smoke a cigarette, so I'm pretty blown away by this gentleman. The box got dropped, now the straps are coming back. I wonder if the new equipment is next. Okay, so we just took off those straps, and this traffic is killing me. But anyway, so they put on the straps, took off the straps, and then put on this harness here. So that harness allows those straps to spread out and pick up that new equipment. Yep. That's going on. Anyways, putting on these straps for this new equipment. Hey, sir. Documenting. So, this was built to be lifted. So, a lot of times you see they have to do those toe straps to the base of the equipment they're lifting, but this has got those, yeah, they got those mounts up there where you can hook up straps. Yeah, I don't know what's going on right there.
The guy inside the unit.
Oh, he's coming out up top. Oh, there goes some tension on it. Okay, he's coming out. Ah, that's incredible.
I'm good on this side.
All right, here goes. All right, there it goes. It is off. I saw it just move a little bit. Yep, there it goes. Hey, sir. Do you know how heavy this equipment is? How heavy is this equipment? Oh, this. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what I was asking. What's that? 8,000 pounds, he says. He's just guessing. I think it could be heavier, though. That stuff is heavy. £4,000 pounds. Okay, so he was guessing heavy. So yeah, I thought that equipment would be a lot heavier, but just lifting it to the roof of this building. There's another lift to get to, so I may cut this off here in a second, but yeah, you got to see equipment coming down and loading on the trailer, and you got to see equipment being lifted up to the rooftop, but it's pretty neat how this is done. Okay, I'm sitting at the west end of the site here. My back is to Wells Street, but this is looking at the semi-trailers that are needed. So you got some carrying new equipment, some carrying old equipment, but I noticed it on my crane shot in St. Louis the other day. Yes, on it you had 3 semis sitting next to each other, but man, it's quite a presence on the site. Here's another view of the lift. The Anti-Cruelty Society lift. Total of 9 workers out here, so that tells you how many it takes to do a lift like this. Of course, no, that's not including the crane operator. So the crane operator, that would be 10 employees out here, I see. But yes, this is just kind of like construction. You don't just actively work the whole time. These guys, the lift's up top, so here they are kind of taking a little bit of a break while this lift is up top. I'm a little bit closer to that crane up top, but this is the site here. They're doing this without blocking traffic, so 1 lane of traffic open. But man, these cranes, very expensive pieces of equipment. Here's one more shot of the site. Now, I don't understand the right lane closed because the right lane's the only one open. But this is looking at the site here. Would love to tell you more about this crane. Those are just such expensive pieces of equipment. Stevenson is a pretty well-known crane company in Chicago. But I documented this. I'm headed to the next site. Thank you. The site looks like from a couple blocks back.